Alright, yo, what is up guys? It is currently 1:23 in the morning and I'm gonna be fixing the Supra today. So I actually haven't driven this car for like honestly close to 2 weeks. Life got busy and I was not able to work on this thing, but today's the day. Well, I guess this morning is this morning and I'm gonna be fixing the Supra today. So first I'll explain a little bit about what is wrong with it. The car started misfiring. It is not a result of the tune, and as a result of the misfiring, I was going through spark plugs very fast. Alright, so this is actually going to be a lot easier than I thought it was. Personally, I've always hated wiring, but I don't know, I kind of just lay things out a simpler way here. So this is basically going to be my template. So I'm going to be building exactly this, the same length wires and everything, and then attaching them one by one to the harness here to ensure that everything is the exact same but updated wiring. So yeah, very common issue with JDM cars. The cars have gone through so many heat cycles that the wires have become very brittle and split. And what can happen is the wires will actually arc together and create a misfire condition, as demonstrated by this beautiful graphic created by me. This can lead to a lot of issues, so definitely good to check your wiring and just redo them all with fresh wiring and connectors. This soldering gun is from like the 70s, I think, and it's fucking powerful. This thing weighs like a pound at least. Finally got my first pigtail made. I don't know why this took me way longer than it should have, but I learned a lot from the first one, so hopefully the next few won't take quite as long. Basically how this kind of works is you take this black connector piece and then you put this white one in it, and then you crimp the wire into these and put these inside all of this with the rubber grommet soldered onto the original harness in replace, and we'll have a fresh harness. Alright guys, pretty sure I'm all finished up here. Just gonna check the oil before I go to start it, and then should be good. But yeah, like I said, I was going through spark plugs earlier, so I might have to replace the spark plugs if it's still misfiring, so we'll see.
Have you ever loved me so? Love is
Alright, so we're still misfiring. Like I said, pretty sure my plugs are fouled from misfiring before, so I'm just gonna pull those and take a look. Also notice that all my spark plug boots are really dirty, so I'm gonna be giving these a good clean. Coil packs seem to be okay. Once I clean them up a bit, they should be good. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Rev Performance, pick up some spark plugs, throw them in here, and then we should be mint. Spark plug boots are clean. Alright guys, so all done. I managed to sort out the issue. I'll show you what my wiring job looks like right now. So, fairly clean. I ran out of heat shrink on this section though, so I had to use electrical tape, but hopefully I can go back over it in a little bit and use some proper heat shrink for that. But running a lot better and not misfiring. It's actually running a lot smoother than before too, so I guess the issue was occurring when I didn't even know it was. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and lots more Supra stuff coming now that I finally got it running. I'm also going to be finishing these little wing risers for the Aristo here. That's why the wing's off right now, but let me know what you guys think about how it looks right now wingless. Personally, I'm not a big fan. It doesn't really suit the style of my build. I know a while ago I kind of played with the idea of selling the Aristo. I don't know guys. I really want an MR2. That's all I really know, is that like MR2 is for sure one of my dream cars, so definitely going to be picking one of those up in the spring. But I'm gonna try to see if I can keep the Aristo and have all three cars, because I think that'd be pretty sick. I would have the MR2 as like my fun daily, Aristo as more of a comfortable daily, and then the Supra as like the weekend car. And then on top of that, I'd need a winter car as well. So I don't know guys, we'll see. But yeah, I also want to be building a diffuser for the Supra pretty soon here. I kind of want to have that on before Saskatoon Driven. Speaking of Saskatoon Driven guys, if you have not already, you need to check out the contest that we just put up guys. It's huge, once in a lifetime opportunity, especially for you guys overseas. Basically what we're going to be doing is flying someone in from anywhere in the world. There's no location restrictions. We're going to be bringing them to Calgary, picking you up at the Calgary International Airport, and we're going to be taking you on a road trip for the full locals experience. You're going to come to Saskatoon Driven with us, stay at our Airbnb, and just have a sick time all together. I'm excited to see which one of you guys is going to win that contest. Once again, that contest ends on September 7th, so be sure to get your entries in guys. I'll put the link right here, and I'll also put it down below. I'll also add the link to get the coil pack connectors down below on Amazon. But if you're in Calgary, be sure to hit up Rev Performance so you can pick up the coil pack connectors from there. Thank you once again for the support guys. We appreciate it like none other. Locals is spread across the world. I'm so grateful for all of you guys to be here with us on this journey. That's it for now. Cheers guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.